Hey, this is Philip with G6 Technology Services. In this video, I just wanted to give you a quick overview of the process that I use to refurbish computers. So we'll take a look at a PC that I just picked up from auction, and we'll go through all the steps that I use to get it ready for sale. Alright, so I've already gotten started on this before I had the idea to record it, but haven't gone too far yet, and this is a good overview of all the tools and equipment and things that I use. So in this example, what we have here is an Optiplex 9020, the ultra small form factor. And so what I've done here, basically the first thing is just to disassemble the system and just see what we're working with. So I was able to take the front cover off, and then take the top cover off, take out the power supply, take out the cage that has the optical drive and where the SSD goes, take off the heatsink. Part of my process, always measure the CMOS battery, which was not dead but low, so I just threw that out. We're going to put a new one in there. I always keep my pack of CR2032s around, so we'll go ahead and change that battery. We were lucky in this case, and this system came with two 4 GB memory modules, so we're just going to leave that how it is. I usually ship my systems with 8 GB, so we already have that in here, so I lucked out, didn't have to buy or add RAM. There was no SSD, which I expect because for data security they always take that out. We do have an i7 CPU according to the sticker on here. So I'm going to reapply thermal paste. It wasn't too bad, but I always like to just do that anyway, that extra touch to refurbish it. Then I like to blow all the dust out. So anyway, let's go ahead and we'll start putting this back together. So first thing we'll do, I'll go ahead and pop this battery in here. Alright, so we just push it down, snaps it into place, brand new fresh CR2032. The next thing I'm going to tackle is cleaning off all of the thermal paste off the CPU and off the bottom of the heatsink, and then we'll apply some fresh thermal compound and put the heatsink back on. So you don't need to watch me scrape all the compound off, so I'll just do that and we'll come back when we're ready to put everything back. Alright, our CPU is nice and clean, and so is our heatsink. So I'm going to go ahead and reapply some thermal compound and put this heatsink back on. Alright, our heatsink is back on, and so is our fan. So now let's go ahead and put our power supply back in. Alright, power supply and other miscellaneous cables are reinstalled. So we'll go ahead now and grab our CD/hard drive tray, get our brand new solid state drive and put that in, get everything plugged in. Then we can start reassembling our case. Things are starting to come together now, starting to look like a computer again. We'll go ahead and reattach our front trim and put our top cover on. So after we reattach everything securely, the next step is just to go over it with some cleaning product, make sure that all the stickers and smudges and scuff marks are off of it, reinstall whatever operating system. In this case we're going to put Windows 10 on there, update the software, Windows updates, install drivers, and then it's ready to go. We have ourselves a refurbished computer ready for a long life. So I hope you enjoyed this video or found it useful. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.